Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling on how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram? Well, if you are, then this video is for you, my friend. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Instagram app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Instagram app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page on the below, you'll be able to see various options. On the right hand side corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Once you have tapped on your profile icon, you'll be on a page something like this. On this page, you'll be able to see a hamburger option on the top right hand side corner. Tap on it. After tapping on the hamburger option, here you'll have to tap on the settings option that is located on the very top. Here you'll be able to see various options such as follow and invite friends, notifications, privacy, supervision, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on notification located right between follow and invite friends and privacy. Once you have tapped on notification, here you can see pause all option. Tapping on the toggle button of the pause all option, you'll temporarily pause notification for all the chats. Here you'll have to turn that on, and here you can get options such as for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours and 8 hours. Choose your preferred one. I will be choosing the 15 minutes option. After that, on the below you can see option quiet mode. Tap on it. Turning on the quiet mode allows you for your notification to be silent. Here you'll have to tap on the toggle option. And below that, here you can see there is option turn on automatically, and there is a time limit from and to. You can choose your preferred one. You can change the time limit here. And with that, you'll be all done. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.